Hey folks, this video is probably going to be my shortest video yet. What is the difference between locking something, anchoring something, and welding something? So when you lock something, like the base plate, if you look at the base plate, it's locked. You can't click on it, or you click on it and nothing happens. If we go over to here to the base plate, we can change the color if we do it from the Explorer menu. Make it a nice whatever that color is, sunrise. So we can unlock it. And we go here, we go unlock. And now, whenever you click on it, you're going to accidentally move it, and it's going to be a big pain. So that's why the base plate is locked. And what is anchoring then? Anchoring is when you want something to stick in place while the game is running. But you can still click it and move it around. Like if we take the spawn here, the spawn is anchored. If you want to, and so that's what you want to do for most things, because then the render engine doesn't try to figure out what can make it move. If you want to have like a tool that's made out of two parts that you can pick up, in that case you can't anchor it, or you wouldn't want to anchor it because then you couldn't move it around. So welding is when you want things to be able to move around but still be stuck together. So locking is just for when you're building stuff. Anchoring is so that it stays in the same place while the game is running. And welding means that two parts are joined, but they're not anchored. They can move around even though they're joined. They can fall, they can bounce around, that kind of thing. So I hope that's helpful, and yeah, please subscribe. If I can get 1,000 subscribers, I can monetize the channel. Thanks.